Welcome students to Microsoft Word creating tables. Okay, first thing is we're going to open Microsoft Word. We're going to click on blank document. Okay, there we are. Now let's type in some text. Creating my table. It looks a little bit small, so let's zoom in. In the bottom right hand corner, you'll find the zoom tab. You just simply click on the slider and it will enlarge your screen. Next, click on Insert Table. And as you select the different options, you'll see it automatically generates how it's going to look. Once you're happy, click on it, and there we go. There's your table. The next thing I'm doing is I'm just adding some column headers. Okay, there we go. Now where a row and a column meet, we call that a cell. So when I click on the border of the cell and click and drag, it's a very easy way to change the shape and size of that cells. You'll see there's a design and a layout tabs that automatically get generated when you click inside your table. If you click on your different styles, you'll see there's lots of different prefabricated options already. So I've just selected the blue one and you can see the formatting is already done. If you want to change anything, just simply select, and for example using the paint tin, I can simply fill up a whole row just as easy as that. Right, now I'm clicking on layout. I'm going to add in some text. Alright, just added some ID numbers so it'll be a little bit easier to see what we're going to do next. Right, when I click on Insert Above or Below, then you can actually see it adds rows in. So that's a quick way to do that. Same applies for columns. I select the column and I can delete it. And I can also delete rows. Just remember where your cursor is currently, that's the row or column that will be affected. In this case, I'm just going to delete those blank rows. Let me insert new columns. There we go. Insert to the right and insert to the left. So you can play around with these features. Here's the eraser. Now the eraser is not deleting. Simply what it's doing is it's rubbing out the cell lines. So in other words, we've just made one big cell. But let's delete it. It doesn't look very good. Right, now we can select two cells and we click on merge. Merge means to join, and there we go. Just be careful. When you select multiple rows and columns, it becomes one big cell. But I think you get the idea. If I want to split them back, I click on the split option, indicate how many rows and columns I would like to have in that space, and I click on OK, and there we go. I've just put it back the way it was. The next feature is auto fit. So what I do is I select my row, I click on auto fit, and I click on it, and there we go. And automatically it will space according to the data that's currently sitting inside your table. If I want to change the width of cells or the height of cells, you'll see there's a very nifty little feature right over there, and you can simply click on it. If you want to change the alignment within a cell, there we go, you select it, and then you go select the appropriate option, and you can see in the screen it's busy changing the location of the text within the cell. Alright, I hope this helps.